Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing so good. In this video, we are going to learn about a new sound. And that new sound is V sound. The new sound is V sound. And the formation rhyme of V sound is V is for victory. V is for victory. Now moving on to learn the vocabularies from V sound. Would you repeat after me? Let's get started. V vacuum, V vacuum, V van, V van, V vulture, V vulture, V violin, V violin, V volcano, V volcano, V vegetables, V vegetables, V vat, V vat, V vest, V vest, V volleyball, V volleyball, V vampire, V vampire. I hope you enjoyed this video. Keep watching this video and learn the vocabularies from V sound. Take care. Allah Hafiz.